Okay, what's up, guys? I haven't made a video in like 3 weeks. Wait. I haven't made a video in a long time, guys. But today, we're playing a game you haven't heard of. It's pretty bad, but
It's scary.
okay,
It's
so we're
really
going to play
scary.
one night of the first and second, and maybe the third one if I feel like it. But, guys, we played this game already, see how it was. We haven't played the second one, so...
That's only if we don't scare quit.
Okay, so,
We
expect...
played this once just to get the gif of it.
Yeah.
And the second one, we're going to show you our first time actually playing it, just because we're savage.
And we're stupid, because we're going to probably scream. And my cousin...
We're probably going to screw up and scream.
Are you
and-
here? Are you here? Yeah, come here.
Get over here, get in the
We're making a video. Say your name. Maya. Yeah, her name Maya. But guys, if you have headphones on, warning. First of all, the video will be loud. This thing will be loud. So
by the way,
we're
guys,
loud.
if this is if you can't hear us very well, tell us to make another video down in the comments below, because my sister is like watching some video. What the heck is this?
I do not know.
Oh, it's a cool ad. I like those ads. I like watching random ads.
Really, Maya?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, guys. So,
That's for sure.
warning.
Warning, we are gonna scream really badly, and our
If we die.
screaming,
If.
I don't want to watch
if we
this
die.
one.
But
By the way, you
us
might.
screaming might make you scream.
So let's see.
What's this?
Let's show you the game. So we have a I'm gonna explain this really fast so I don't die. We have this. Shut up, guy.
So
then we have
track,
the cameras.
So we can track people. We have the CCTV, and then we have the room.
Map.
This is the map. This
Room.
is the room, and then we have a door, which the light turns on very, very often, and then you
this
shut it, and it and it can open, and you have to wait for it to charge.
We know it's a children entertainer's jerk.
Mother.
Cuss my channel. You're not allowed to cuss on YouTube or else they might delete your video. Okay, guys. So let's talk. Let's talk. I know this game's crappy, but it's free, and I am not.
It's free and it's scary.
Playing Five Nights at
And
Freddy's
it's like-
real version. I'm not wasting money on that. Hey,
It's like 9:10. It's like 9:10. So
yeah,
let's hope that it's dark outside.
it is.
It's dark outside. I'm sorry, my sister's gonna be watching YouTube in the background.
It's
If
not
that's
that
okay.
bad. Yeah, don't listen to it.
Yeah. If you can't hear it, like, tell us and we'll do a redo.
Hey, I'm still uploading this.
I know. Well, tell us down in the comments
'Cause
below. and
I'm
we'll
gonna
do
make a video
and
tomorrow.
We'll do a redo of it. Like, we'll do a second video of
Yeah.
it. Let's just hope it's
Yeah.
better.
Well, why'd I do that?
That was dumb.
Nice background music.
I think he just set off some sort of alarm to track the...
I know what to do, buddy. And I will not enjoy my first
Where
night.
are they putting it?
We died last time, but we came back to life. Track.
Oh, sweet God.
Oh my
barnacles.
God, this guy moves fast. I think he's going straight for you, but I can't know. He's
If
going
he
to-
gets anywhere near there, I'm done for. Okay.
Where this guy?
They're trying to kill her.
I'm not going away.
I'm gonna hate this. I hate horror games.
You want...
By the way, guys, I hate horror games. I take back what I said earlier. I hate horror games.
No.
Suck.
They're just scary, that's all. They're really fun. They're just scary.
They're really fun and stuff, but they suck because they're scary like heck.
Oh, okay.
They just won so easily.
Oh, I died.
I hate it when that happens.
There's so much.
Wait, this guy's from Cell 2, not Cell 3. Ooh. Wow, this guy moves fast.
That's why this game is scary.
Cell 3's the clown. We had him last time.
It's still going to be a clown. Oh, sweet
Wait,
God.
there's a clown in each cell? I thought they were different. I swear if he gets there, as soon as he gets in the doorway, I'm gonna look away, and I'm gonna look away, and he's gonna shut the door. And if the door does not shut, oh my god.
What do you mean signal loss? See there?
And if he's there, I'm gonna look away. If he shuts the door, I'm gonna look back. But oh my god.
Oh.
CCTV. Oh, there he is.
Ah, she's getting me.
Where's the recreation room? There. I give up.
He's not near you.
Come on!
Wait, the light goes on its own. Okay, that's scary. You don't have to tap it. The light goes on its own.
Cam said recreation room. If he gets out of the recreation room, then if he goes up, then I'm going into.
Okay.
Stop it!
Oh.
Oh my god, he left the recreation room. Which way did he go? Oh, he better not have gone out. Please don't go out.
I give up. I don't like this. Guys, I hate life. Hey, but I want subscribers, so screaming like a little baby will get you subscribers.
That's for sure. Why is an alarm going off? Good, good call.
I can't.
You have to.
Ah!
I hate you.
I want subscribers. What are you doing?
I don't know. The alarm was going off, so I thought I should do it.
Live.
What is? I can't hear it.
Oops. Oh, we're
Does
dead.
that mean he's coming close?
We're dead. We're dead.
Go to map.
It won't. It's signal laws.
Why is the signal off?
Hey.
The alarm isn't going off. That means he's
Why
not.
can't we just play friendly games instead
I
of?
think
Why do people have to play scary games? to get-
whenever the alarm goes off, that means he's getting close.
Yes.
Wow.
No, that was such a bad
I
idea.
don't know what I did. Oh no.
No, that was such a bad
I'm
idea
dead.
because it's gonna open. He's gonna be there. Did he get there after?
What? He just runs into the crowd. Ugh.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Wait, what?
Yes! Yes, I won! Oh!
Isn't it awesome? Weird ad?
Does that mean we're gonna
Yes.
do?
I love weird
We're
ads.
gonna do number 2 or night 2?
Which one do you want to do?
I was like, which one you want to do, night 2 or number 2? Done.
You want to try a night?
Let's do number 2 because that's probably gonna be funner.
Okay, let's try number
So
two.
loud.
Because number 2 is probably gonna be harder, which makes it funner.
Oh my god!
Number 2 is gonna be harder, right?
If you don't want to play,
Doesn't
just
that
hit
make
the
it
home
funner?
button.
Oh,
No, we are
Close
not
on it.
people that quit unless we
Ah!
get scared.
it put me. It puts you right at night too. Nope.
Nope.
I want to watch this video. It's
Okay, so-
stupid.
No, that's number 1.
Stupid.
Okay, guys.
Ooh, what's
So
this?
yes, we beat it.
Sorry, we suck.
Okay, so
Sure.
don't play without me. Well, you can start.
I probably won't. Don't worry, I probably Night of the Dead. Oh my god, guys, there's a Night of the Dead. What does that mean? Complete all 5 nights and you unlock Night of the Dead. What's Night of the Dead? I want to know what Night of the Dead is.
You can't play.
I want to know what Night of the Shop.
Shh. I can't hear. Shh. I can't hear. Dog upgrade.
Tracker upgrade.
It's $99.
Oh my god! Only if we got the
That's
tracker
real
upgrade.
money, Gage.
99 cents. If we got the tracker upgrade, the tracker would
That's
never
real
run
money.
out.
Hit back. Hit back.
The tracker would never run out. Do you have 99 cents?
No. Well, yeah.
Because if we do that, the tracker will never run out.
We have
But if we don't buy that, that'll make it funner. It'll probably
What
make it
in the world?
scarier.
I
And
love
that. Probably
that.
means a little
He's so embarrassing.
Now I got one question for you. How much subscribers do we have?
8.
Yeah.
Austin,
Hey.
wake up.
Time to leave. We sold the house.
Oh my gosh. Is
We
that a
have
weird
to
ad?
renovate this place.
Oh my god.
What the heck?
Can I see it?
What is this?
Fine, guys.
Homescapes, help save the mansion.
Oh wow, that's already creepy. And apparently they are oh my god!
What is this? Guys, this game
This
looks
has gotten
horrible.
so much scarier.
Hey, buddy. It's Jake here up in level 2.
We got a dog.
It looks like you've been reassigned to the basement shift.
I don't want to hear
Guess
you.
someone in management must have taken a serious disliking to you. Unfortunately, the basement was never designed to hold patients.
This is hard.
The basement?
We need to make the move.
Wait, this is based off Five Nights at Freddy's. Instead of winding up a puppet box, they're winding up this.
First
Are
thing
you
you
kidding
need
me?
to do is crank up the generator.
I know.
The security monitors and
Idiot.
silent doors.
What does it look like I'm
Remember,
doing?
The more doors you close, the faster you'll drain the power.
I know, you
Need to keep
idiot.
cranking it up throughout the night.
This is so fun
When you
now.
have power, you can use the map console to open and close the doors around the asylum. If a patient
Oops,
does
I'm so
escape from their
stupid.
cell, a warning
Why'd
light
you
on the
activate
map
that?
console
Who's he?
will
Okay,
let you
so
know. It's a good idea to activate the patient tracker device if this happens. But the tracker device batteries won't last
Hi,
all
buddy.
night.
I hope we don't die.
You know what? There's one way to make it to where it will. If you pay 99 cents, but later
Luckily,
not.
you've got an
But
easy
I
start
don't
of
want
the
to do
week. There's only one
We
patient
might
down there
later.
tonight.
Maybe later just to make the game a
His
little
name sounds a little
better.
alarming to you,
Wait, no.
but good.
Don't make it
It
easier.
should
They
do.
won't like that. They want it
Whatever
hard. They
happens,
want us to
do
scream.
not
Yeah,
let this
we're gonna
guy into
scream.
your security.
Oh,
To help
I don't
you
like
out,
this.
there's a new recruit working with
this
you,
is harder.
Benji the guard dog. If the Ripper makes it into the hallway outside your room, Benji will let you know. Just be warned, though. Benji can be a little temperamental. He doesn't like enclosed spaces, so don't go leaving the room door shut for too long. Trust me, you won't like Benji when he's angry. Okay, buddy, you're all set for your first night.
I don't want to be
Have
all
fun
set.
out there.
I don't want to be here.
Neither do I.
I hate it.
Hey, we're getting paid lots of money for this.
Yeah, like
I mean-
$5 a
Wait, the
like
rest
$5 a month.
Oh, yeah.
That's a lot.
Why'd we? I thought this.
That's a lot of money.
Oh, look. Oh, look. This soap. This soap. Oh, sweet God.
Track.
Well, this is totally not scary. I'm being sarcastic. I am freaked out. Stop. We need to look at the jack.
Remember, Benji will bark if he's in front of us. No, if Benji will bark if he's
No,
in
I think we
hallway.
need that upgrade.
No. Remember, he said Benji will bark if he's
Oh.
he's up in that hallway. Benji, please bark so we can close the door.
He's getting. Oh my gosh!
You're welcome.
Thank you, God.
Oh my God, my gate. Unlock the door. I'm sorry, Benji. Remember, you can't keep the door locked for too long,
I
or
forgot.
Benji will get mad.
I love you so much. Sweet God, stop it.
Sweet Mother of God.
Oh no.
That's what I'm gonna say instead. Sweet Mother of God. You need to keep an eye on him most of the time.
Nope.
No, don't.
I already saw him. No, he was right there. Go, 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 go.
That was such a bad idea.
No, it wasn't.
Oh,
Oh wow.
wait. No, signal's lost.
Yeah.
Now we have to rely on Benji.
I'm gonna go downstairs to watch the game.
Don't leave us.
Well, I wanna watch it.
You can go check the score, but please come back.
I'm not coming back. I wanna watch it.
No, you don't. You're just don't. You're just scared. I think.
No, I wanna watch it.
Okay, I get this.
Bark close.
So,
Sorry, Benji.
hacked. No. I'm gonna do.
life hacks. I like watching life hacks videos.
It's 4 a.m.
Oh wow. Life hacks.
Benji.
Good game for
Shut up, person.
Shut up.
We're dead. So
That wasn't scary.
oh yeah. Oh, we're fine. Okay, we're fine.
This is probably.
Let's just turn off the TV. What?
No, scaredy cats don't run. Guys, who wants to try number 3?
I think they said yes. They really hate us, don't they?
How long has this been going? I don't know.
Let's see. Well, 16 minutes. Okay, so we'll go to the third one.
This is
then
probably
we'll
gonna be our
end.
longest video yet.
We had an hour video, don't we? Okay. So let's try the third one. 5 Nights at... What? 5 Nights... Whatever.
So what's it called? Elysium?
5 Nights at Asylum, boy.
Asylum.
So we're not downloading the first one, guys. But there's a third one. Why did I almost say second one?
No, you have.
We'll click on the second one, then we'll go down and find the third one. So the second one was probably so far the not
Scariest.
what?
No.
And
no, the first one.
That first one was horrifying. The second one was probably my favorite so far because it was fun.
It's a lot better because we don't have an alarm. We have Benji,
Yeah, Benji's awesome.
and because the alarm, we don't know if that
I
means.
can't find it. I cannot find it. Like literally, why can I not
Look,
find
wait.
it? Why can I not
So
find that?
go back.
Why?
Go back. Okay, I know how to spell.
Wait, no, I know. Wait, we searched up 5
It's
Nights.
Asylum Night Shift. No, it's called Asylum Night. Asylum Night Shift. 3. 3.
1, 2, 3,
3. This is probably gonna be like, oh wait, this is all about ghosts.
4, 5, 7. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna pee my pants.
This is all about ghosts. Oh, I see.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Yeah, I am too. Well, at least we have this satisfying background music.
Ah, yes. Okay, guys. So today's question of the day is. Okay, this might be an easy one, but blah. Okay, so you know Five Nights at Freddy's. I know we're not playing that because I'm not wasting money on a game.
That's not nearly as good as these fan-made games. It's not nearly as well. Some of them are
Scary.
And some of
Well,
them
some
aren't
of them
as
are
scary.
But
Sometimes fan-made games are really scary because they like make the scariest
You've
thing.
been playing a Let's Form machine. Just looking for my code.
And you don't want to know the scariest thing of all? You.
Really? He was joking with that. $19, $14, $28. What?
$31. 31. I saw 31. 21.
21. But guys, question of the day. So Five Nights at Freddy's. What is the scariest one? To me,
Number 2 so far. But we still haven't
no,
done number 3.
the real Five Nights at Freddy's.
Oh,
real.
the real. Yeah, the original one. Number 1.
Maybe, I don't know. I mean,
Can we put this like downstairs?
why? Yeah. Turn off the TV. So guys,
Hey, buddy, it's Jake here in level 2. It's great to see you've woken up from your coma. I was starting to get a little worried there. You're now a patient in the old hospital on the top floor of the asylum. You're the first patient we've had up there in years. You'd better make yourself comfortable because the doctors want to keep you in for a few days yet. Fortunately, there's no asylum inmates to trouble you up in the old hospital. But the hospital is haunted. Anyway, you have nothing to fear.
Yeah.
We've set the
You
security
have
system
to
for
turn
you.
that in the volume a lot.
Turn the volume off.
Yeah.
It's not
Okay,
gonna,
guys.
Sorry, guys. It's not gonna be as scary because
Yeah,
we
we're
moved
too
down
scared
here
to
and our
play.
grandparents are watching
So,
a football game.
You mean grandma and grandpa?
Yeah, our grandparents.
Kind of watching.
okay.
Wait, how do you charge the battery in this
Easy.
thing? Oh my God! Yes, there's no blinking light.
Get him.
There's no blinking light. I love this.
Um,
Oh wait, that's how you get rid of them. You flash the light at them.
the scariest one in this version is definitely the first one. The second one wasn't scary because, like, they, like, it shows you that they're about to scare you.
Yeah.
This one might actually too, but check the thing. Maybe they're tracking. Maybe you can track one. Check the map. Turning out yet? No. Wait. I know the backstory. We're a patient.
Yeah, you know. We're patient and we were in a coma.
There they are. Fucking one. Stop them.
Might drop with a hard count.
Yeah. Get him. Oh,
We can check our heart rate. Wait.
Yeah.
Does that make us calm?
Yeah. I don't know what happens if we
Why are
don't.
you charging that? Why are you using that? That's how you scare away the
Thinking-
ghosts.
Oh, well, there are none near me. We're gonna do night 2 if this is that easy.
So you have to keep your eye on the door most of the time. The
Mm.
camera's in the door. Light!
Right. I'm pressing it.
Well, you did it too quick. You did it too late. Because if he turns you, yeah, because there's no noise. And you know he
Yeah.
can't. If he turns you over, it's too late to do anything.
Yeah. What is this game?
Sort of like Candy Crush.
Oh my gosh.
Deleted.
Oh, what is this? Crazy.
Toy Blast.
Looks easy.
Yeah, my sister has it. It's called Toy Blast. This is not scary at all, guys.
First one was definitely scariest.
Guys, should we? I don't think we should even play this. This is not scary at all.
So, guys, I'm gonna do this.
Is there a number 4?
No.
Go back. We can check. Yeah. Oh, zombie ship. Survival. No, there's no number 4. What? There's different. Which one should we play? Number 1 or 2?
I'm gonna play this game. It's relaxing.
Scare prank, killer clown.
It looks like it's gonna scare you,
Guys?
but it's not. Okay.
Oh my
ready?
God, go down.
No, bro.
That is
Stop.
that right there is so.
Oh,
That right
nice.
there is so copy.
Nice.
The clown sitting in your room, that looked like Golden
It's gonna be
Freddy.
so fun. Play. Wee. I love this game already. Yeah. Oh, this is easy. Yeah.
It's a scare prank. It's gonna scare you once you get to a
No,
certain number.
it's not. It just said that some people think so.
Or maybe if you hit it. Nope, just starts back. Yeah, scare
Yeah,
prank.
you knew it. Dang nabbit.
I know what this is.
Oh,
Mr. Giggle.
oh, my stomach hurts. Wait,
Said
did we beat
scare
the second? Did we beat the second one or the first one? We beat the first one, right?
We beat all of them.
Oh, guys, here's the deal.
That's a bummer.
We get no. Shh.
If we get 10 likes.
I was gonna say that number. If we get 10 likes on this video, we'll do night 2 and maybe even night 3 on this.
But let's hope we get 10 likes quick, because we might do it tomorrow.
So bye.
Bye, guys.